Yeah, man, yeah, man. What is going on, man? What is going on, man? This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard. You already knew me, man. Forex Wizard 666, man. When I look at this chart, man, you know what I see? A very empty chart. What a empty chart, man. But you know what I'm gonna do for you right now? You know what I'm gonna do for you right now? I'm gonna create this thing in a way that we're gonna be catching big fish. All right, let's go. Big fish. We're gonna create a big hook so we can catch big fish. When I say big fish, I mean big pips. Let's go for that moving average. That damn hell crazy moving average. You got a big hook. You're gonna catch the big fish, man. 20. 20 period EMA. Exponential, man. Exponential, man, nigga. Now, what's my color for this 20? Exponential. Should I make it black? Oh my, make it black, dude. Black. Black. The beginning of creation. Every creation. Beginning of creation. Black. Man. Boom. Oh my God, where is it? It's not done. Oh my damn hell God. Come on, go back. My black 20. Oh, main window. Moving average 20. 20 period, 20 period, 20 period. We're gonna create a big hook. 20, man. Exponential black. Black. Don't forget. When I say the black, the beginning of our creation. And then here we go. Here we go, my friend. This is it. 20 period SMA. Got them black. It's gonna do a big job for you today, man. Gonna teach you how to catch the big fish. Look at. Whatever this is telling us is that this trend is going up because it's going from the lower of your chart left to the right. Nice. The 20 SMA, EMA traveling from the low left of your chart going to the right up. Oh, what a clue. We are going up. We're going to focus on the up. What should we be doing? We should be buying. How should we buy? Wake up in the morning. Look for your opening candlesticks of the day on the period separator. Buy and go. Boom. 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 Now you here. You've gathered a lot of pips though. Now let us go back and put one thing and do this chart a little bit favor and put some spice. Spice, man, spice. Now we go again. The main window. Moving average. Moving average. We make this one a quality big one. The support. Woohoo. Support. How to do this? Make the color a brown one, man. Boom. Save it. Done. All right. What I told you. 50. Support. Don't be scared. You know what I mean? If you miss the day opening candle entry, you go and wait. Go wait. Maybe you wait if you miss it. Let it find support on the 50. You see what is done? Now you buy and then it rise. Boom. It came back, found support on the 50 after this day opening candle. You miss it. It found support on the 50. Buy. Boom. It's gone. It's gone. The next day came back to 50. Woohoo. You bought. Now it's gone. It's gone, man. Oh, look. After the opening candle of the day, the price will pull back to find support on the 50. You just buy and go. Opening candle of the day, the price came to find support on the 50. Buy and go. Okay, let's go find the trend so that you can have confidence on this hook we're creating. The main window, moving average. Oh my God. 100 period. Let's make the color or this one. I like this color. I like this aqua. I like something. I like it. Aqua. Boom. Boom. Confidence. Is this not confidence? Showing you the trend that it is going from the low left of your chart, going to the up. What do you think about? You think about buying this thing. And where? Look, you either buy the opening candle of the day sitting on the period separator itself, this, or you wait for the price to come find support on the 50. If you miss the opening, wait for the 50. You buy the 50, you go. Boom. If you miss the opening of the day, it came to the 50, you buy, you go. This 100 aqua is following you, telling you whatever decision you buy, you are correct. Oh my damn hell God. This is the best hook for you. Now I'm signing off right now. I hope I've given you a big nugget. The big hook that catches the big fish in the Forex market. This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. Bye-bye. And I will post some links under this video. If you're confused of the trend, there'll be a link under this video that takes you to at least a tool that shows you the trend of the market. Thank you so much.